Alright. Hold on, what's my armor like? Attack is 121. Okay, fair enough. I mean, I am using a bow gun, so 405 defense is not too bad. Fire resistance is shit, which is bad for what we're gonna do. So that being said, let's just do it.
How can I help you?
Alright, event quest.
Here's the quest list.
Straight up doing
May the spirits
Acnosoms.
protect you.
Doing a lot of Acnosoms. Acnosom is a really fun hunt. I'm gonna go for medic, defender, and fire resist. I only got medic and defender. I did not get fire resist at all. That makes me sad. Hold on, that looks like it's a bit too loud. Audio. Let's drop it to 30. Alright, so let's go ahead and get set up. Manage items, transfer items, restock, and then sort. I didn't mean to capture that. Spread ammo. Oh, I need to find out ammo. So I can't use that. 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 And can't use that. Sort. Boom. Let's get what we can use. Like that. Like that. Like that. I can use pierce ammo, which is actually a blessing. Piercing shots are great. I'm just say that right now. And I'll get some poison too. Auto sort. And then let's go. Let's go. Let us straight up go. Let's try to get this at a hurry too. I don't have much free space on my computer right now. I'm gonna have to delete some stuff before editing this. Alright, here we go. Where are they? Okay, there's one right in Area 1. I'm fine where I am. Sweet boing. Alright. Yes, I'm being a pussy. Alright, so... Alright. Let's flat out use some piercing shots. Cause, like, look at that damage. That damage adds up really fast. Are you, like, throwing up fire eggs? Like, what is with those fireballs, my dude? Ah!
It's up to something!
Alright. Acnosom isn't too hard to deal with, it's just a matter of making sure you know how to predict its movements. It can be kind of hard sometimes. I mean, and since there's 3 of them, I don't have much to worry about. I don't have to worry about, like, fucking Rajang showing up. Honestly, kind of happy. Rajang, Magnamalo, those are 2 monsters that I don't want to mess with. Especially Rajang. Rajang is a bigger pain in the ass, if you ask me. Oh, I've missed that horribly. Alright, so I'm gonna have to be careful for this. Unless... Ow. Unless I feel like a great sword would be better. I'm not exact... Well, when I run out of ammo, yeah, I'm gonna be switching to great sword, of course. So let's run away for now. Try to get some distance. Oh, it's leaving.
Keep attacking!
Okay, so it's headed up there. Headed right up here. Does it do anything? That did nothing, because you're way over there. I broke something, that's good. Pretty sure that because there are 3 of them, their health is overall reduced, so that's gonna help a lot. I mean, that's usually like a rule in Monster Hunter. The more monsters there are, the lower health they have. Oh god, I almost got hit by a move I didn't want to get hit by. Oh, now we're on the bigger Pierce ammo. Big boy. Big boy piercing. Did I break the crest? Or what did I break? I didn't break the head. You're gonna... Oh, you're just flinching. Okay. Angry. Angry it is. Very angry boy. Big umbrella angry boy. Parasol. I call you Perry, like in Super Princess Peach. That was a weird as fuck game, if I'm gonna be honest. I mean, then again, it looked weird. I haven't played Super Princess Peach. Nor would I really want to. Gonna be honest. Gonna keep unloading. All the piercing shots. Alright, he's poisoned now, so I guess let's go for shrapnel ammo. There's a lot like pellet shots, really. Pellet shots used to be like really, really fucking good. Like borderline broken. Like well-aimed shots on shit like Zinogre and whatnot. Monoblos, Diablos. Easy 5-minute hunt there, even in G rank. How did that not hit me? Acnosum, are you drunk right now? What the fuck? Oh, you're tired. Okay, I was wondering how that didn't hit me, dude. Oh, don't scream in my face, you bitch. Oh, don't go up toward the other one. Come here. I need to eat. To get my stamina back. Alright, one's leaving. The other one's coming down. That's what I want. That is exactly what I want. Oh my god. Ah! You're tired. That's breaking the rules. Bitch. Oh. Hold on, I gotta reload my gun the moment I pull it out. Because guns work like that. Yes, they do. Trust me. I don't know why I feel like the audio is a bit too loud again. God damn it. Does it save to do to 2 separate tracks? Please tell me it does. I don't want to have to turn it down anymore. Ah! I got caught in the stun. It's angry. God, don't. You're not a hypnocatrice, motherfucker.
How did it come to this?
Go ahead and take the Mega Potion. Oh, this one's weak. That's what I want. It is very weak. You can tell because this game, unlike the others, actually tells you when they're weak. People question why I don't bring Palicos. Because I don't like Palicos. Palicos are just... they're just bad. I don't like them. Too many Freedom Unite Palicos. They like to blow me up. And I don't like that. Can you just drop the fuck dead? I'm tired of seeing you, Big Bird. Even though I'm gonna have to see you 2 more times. No, you're not Big Bird. You're not yellow. You're not yellow and fluffy. You're all white and scaly and look like an umbrella. Parts broken. I'd rather just see slain. I don't want to see more parts broken. I already have enough of this. Spread ammo. Oh god. Yeah, that's right. Unload. That's all we gotta do. Ah! Bitch. Oh, don't try to scoop me with your fucking thing. With your umbrella crest. No wonder they made a monster that's like an umbrella. There we go. This game was made with the RE engine. Oh, look at that big stupid cunt. Oh my god. Alright, where's the others? Okay, there's not another one around me, so I have the opportunity 25 all around. There we go. Alright, and then we can detailed map subcamp 1. Yes, I'm changing weapons.
Good.
You're gonna try and at me and shit. Oh well. Alright, item box. Manage equipment. Great sword. Where's the Paladire? I'm pretty sure there it is. There's the Paladire. Well, I don't like this shit. Go outside. You can change your buddies there too, but I'm not gonna do that. I like my dogs. Alright, where are... there's some stamina birds, some Spira birds. Boing. Really? Oh yeah, they're both here. They just straight attack each other. Alright, that... give me control of this one. I don't know which one to attack.
Leave this monster to me. This'll do for now.
There we go.
Observe.
Now we're gonna take you for a quick run over here. And And I'm gonna kill you, because you are just kind of a dick from the offset. Oh, you... This is why you never disregard one. Oh, have you been infected with Fire Blight? Dude, that's cool. Alright. Ah! I've been yelled at. He yelled at me. Fuck. I was trying to block that. Fuck. Let's just do our gigantically massive damage. Alright. So, Acnosome, I'm pretty sure that you mostly want to be hitting it on, like, the head. It's like the head and tail, I believe. It's like Gypsaros. The rubber doom turkey, which we're yet to see. You might see it here soon, actually. I don't know. I might record a Gen ult hunt, too, against Gypsaros. Yeah, the Turkey of Doom. Oh, I miss Lord Goblin series. But sadly, they had to get privated due to copyright claims. Fucking shit. Alright. Alright, so it's leaving, so I can go ahead and just collect some of these. Boing, boing. Where is it going? Okay, it's only going to Area 6. That's not bad. Give me that. Have me ride one of these. That's how you land back. That is how you land back in style, boys. Oh, look at that. Look at that damage on that tail. Look at that absolute shad damage. That's why I say, like, head and tail is where you want to mainly be aiming for this guy, and I'm pretty sure, based on these numbers, it's either weakest to ice or water. I'm more hard-pressed to say ice. I'm just gonna be frank there. This thing looks small now that I think about it. Is this a crown? If this isn't a crown, I'd be surprised. 179, 131. Let's get the big hit. 354. Oh my god, I love that damage. That damage number is a nice number. That's another thing I gotta say I love about playing Greatsword, especially in the later games. It's primarily because you can just quickly cancel into your guard, and it is just... It's oh so satisfying when you actually do it. Okay, this one is weak too. This one is weak too. That's what I want. I'm trying to make this as short as possible, guys. No, don't hit me. Okay. Oh, physics actually comes into play. Oh, I missed that. I missed the backswing. God damn it. Alright, not near as much damage as I would have preferred, but I had to get it off, otherwise I would be hit out of it. Alright, there's the other one. Smallest size updated. Yeah, that is a tiny Acnosome, dude. Now, the biggest is just down below. I think that's Area 4. That has to be Area 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, that is Area 4, boys. I'm getting Inferno sacks. Definitely some of the best sacks in the game, let me tell you. Hey, if your sack isn't blazing, then is it even a sack? I don't need to talk about sacks like that, honestly. Unless it's a saxophone, which it could be. Probably isn't, but... Yeah, this one looks kind of big. This might be a biggin. Yeah, look at the size, man. This has to be like a they had to do this like a crown small, a crown large, and then just the one in the middle. I wonder if like other Pokemon I wonder if other monsters show up during this quest. I've been playing too much Sword and Shield lately. Which, speaking of Sword and Shield, I'll be recording Dynamax Adventures looking for shinies. Why? Because there's one AI in there that I just really don't like, and her name is specifically Janet. Sorry to all you Janets out there. If any of you watch my videos, frankly. Probably don't in the end, but hey, I want to cover my bases, right? Alright. Oh, why is this thing... Oh, God. Oh, I rolled into that. Okay. What? Is he leaving? No, he was just charging for no reason. Alright. So let's just keep on like this, I guess. Trying to trip it up and whatnot. Oh yeah, I forgot they did like the day and night transitions in this game too. Oh, I love this game for that. Ow. Ow. Alright, so I guess let's get some honey so I can automatically craft some more mega potions like it just did. Izuchi, can you not be a dick? Boing. Go get a few more of these. A few more Spira birds. Oh, yeah, there we go. Now I'm gonna go quickly eat a well-done steak. Because I need all the stamina I can get, boys. There we go. And then let's just smack it. Smack it in the wing! Sadly, I can't shoot any of these in the butt, because I don't know where the butt is. Alright, I can stab it in the butt, though, if I can find it. Then again, all birds have asses. Just a matter of where you look. Why am I talking about bird asses like I am? I really don't need to be talking about any of this shit. Oh my god, I hate myself for this. I mean, if this were like a pig, then I could understand, because we eat ham all the time. Ham is like pig ass or something like that. Stupid hoppy bird. You remind me of Hypnocatrice. Like, can they just bring Hypnocatrice back? I mean, they brought Lavassioth back. Twice. Generations and World. So can they bring Hypnocatrice? That'd be kind of respect to the Frontier series, which discontinued, sadly. I actually missed that series. It had some really good monster designs on it. Oh, here we go. Big damage time. Big damage time. Bam! Let's try to get another level 3. Oh! There we go. Oh, I love the Greatsword for this. The Greatsword will always be like one of the classic Monster Hunter weapons, and one of the weapons that I absolutely adore. I am an avid longsword player though, but still, Greatsword is just hilarious, especially when you have like punishing draw. Alright, now you're trying to do that, so I guess... Yo, I got a Bird Wyvern gem! I've been needing that! Look at that! Look at the kindness that this game gives me. 1, 2, 3. Pop! Pop. Pop. Alright, I guess let's go and sharpen. Where is it? There's the what? Oh, that's the throwing knife. I need a sharpen. Wait, is that a bug? What bug is that? It's been a while since I've seen a bug that wasn't Celtis or the final boss of Generations Ultimate, which I'm not gonna
You're done for.
spoil. Oh my god, man. The damage, dude. Okay, it's going up. Give me the bug. What is this bug? Is this a thunder bug? This is a flash bug. I can make some flash pods with it. Unless I can just throw them as they are. No, I can't. Give me you. Give me a cloth fly. Give me... Oh, god damn it. Give me bones. I got some sturdy bones now, boys. Oh, the audio cut out. Oh, there it is. I thought the audio cut out. Oh, it's almost dead. Okay, now you're not breaking Monster Hunter rules. Good. If a monster is tired like this, it usually won't be able to use any of its, like, breath attacks. Now it's mad. Now it can use its breath attacks quite easily. And I don't like it doing that. So let's just wind up. Use now. Sheath. Run. Until you're in recovery. 3. There we go. That's right. We're just gonna gang up on this thing. I made a mistake. Let's just take a Mega Potion. I just realized how low my health was. Oh, Lord, that's bad. Wow. There we go. Let's just keep on wailing. There we go. Largest size updated. Are these crowns? Was the smallest one a crown and was the biggest one a crown? I hope it is. I genuinely hope it is. Alright. I got an Inferno Sack. I got another Bird Wyvern Gem, dude. This quest is being nice to me. Of course. It's being nice to me when I record. This would not give me as many Bird Wyvern Gems as it did if I weren't recording. So let's just go up here. I got 30 seconds. Wait, what are these? Junk pile. Junk pile? Feline fur ruby in a barrel lid. Let's just dangle. Let's just dangle. Alright, there we go. What all did I get? Acnosom Scale Plus, Inferno Scale, Feather Plus, Scale Plus, Scale Plus, Scale Plus, Acnosom Beak. That appears to be wearing lipstick. What the fuck is are Acnosoms into? I don't want to know that, even though I just asked about it. Where's, like, the beak pluses and shit? But, anywho. I unlocked something new. A winter set. Alright. Well, that's gonna be about it. Thank you all for sticking around and watching. I appreciate it. I'm probably gonna record more Gen Ult later. I don't know yet, but anyway. If you like this video, then go ahead and just leave that like, leave a comment if you want, maybe subscribe to if you aren't already, share this with a couple friends, and I will see you all next time. Peace.